What up? It me again. We've got another package here. I'm not quite sure what this is, but I'm excited. Let's just dig in. We're digging in, boys and girls and non-binaries and everyone. Everybody. You're all invited to this experience. What is this here? Oh, yes! Okay. So first off here, we've got this dude right here, who is a Glyos Knight of the Slice. Well, he's by Toy Pizza, but he's a hyperspace Knight of the Slice. That's so cool. He comes with a bunch of little heads. And some, oh, he comes with a gun, a head, and another head, like a battle damaged helmet. I don't know if you can see that very well. I'm sorry. I'll get these out soon, but that's awesome. Okay, so we'll continue onwards. That's so cool. Oh, he's... All right. Next, we've got. Just put this back in the bag for now. I don't want it to blow away in the wind because it's tiny and it's windy today. Welcome to summer Australia. Okay, what else have we got in here? Oh my gosh! Yes, dude! We've got our Knight of the Slice by 1,000 Toys. Oh, this is cool. Okay, I guess we'll open this. Oh my god, what am I doing? There, okay, there. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, I'm excited. Alright, so this... Alright, and here he is. Brick, the red Knight of the Slice. Oh, yes. Such a cool figure. I'm so excited and happy with this. Oh my gosh. This has got crazy posability. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Okay, both of my Knights of the Slice are amazing. We've got Hyper Knight Teal and we've got Original Knight Red. Brick. How amazing is this? Brick also came with this pizza cutter, some sets of a left and a right hand, the pizza cutter again, and a head of Jesse, one of the creators of Toy Pizza, and I can't remember the other dude's name. Is it Nick? Amazing as well. We'll pop out the hands and put in the accessories. Oh, so nice to do. It just pops in. Pops on. Okay. Oh, that's awesome. What a cool figure. Okay. Both amazing. Both wonderful. We'll put him down for a second, and let's check out the accessories for the little Hyper Knight. So he came with like a nice plain bald head. A nice plain bald head, which is, he came with like a damaged classic Knight of the Slice head, and he came with, I don't even know how I'm gonna get in there. He came with this tiny little chromed up gun, which I think is just wonderful. It's super, super cool. Alright, we're just getting it open here. And you put it in his hand. Oh my god, I can't do it. Oh my god. Right there. How amazing is that? What a cute little dude. Super chromed up and shiny on the armor and the gun. Amazing. Oh, okay. I think that's the end for me for now. We'll just, we'll peace out. Peace out. Peace out.